On October 6, 1976, thanks to resolute action by the CPC Central Committee, the Gun of Four was crushed. 10 years of chaos were brought to an end, and the whole nation celebrated.
美酒飘香啊，歌声飞。朋友啊，请你干一杯，敬你干一杯。胜利的誓约永远。
The third plenary session of the 10th CPC Central Committee was held in July 1977. It saw the return of 73-year-old Deng Xiaoping. On August 4, 1977, Deng Xiaoping presided over a forum on science and education. A group of scholars demanded the college entrance examination be reintroduced. Deng strongly supported it. Subsequently, the college entrance exam was reinstated after an 11-year hiatus. 5.4 million people signed up for the exam, and 270,000 were accepted. The fate would be changed. In March 1978, the first National Science Conference was held in Beijing. This was the first National Science Conference held since the founding of the People's Republic of China.
这个现代化关键是科学技术的现代化。现代科学技术的发展使科学与生产的关系越来越密切了。
On May 11, 1978, the Guangming Daily released an article called "Practice is the sole criterion for testing truth for the general population to read." The article sparked a nationwide debate on the criterion for truth. On December 18, 1978, the third plenary session of the 11th CPC Central Committee convened in Beijing. The meeting decided that the party and the country should shift their focus to socialist modernization and concentrate on the strategic decision to reform and open up. The meeting criticized the two whatevers policy, fully affirmed the necessity of perfecting and accurately grasping the scientific system of Mao Zedong thought, offered a lofty assessment of the debate over questions of truth standard, and determined a new ideological, political, and organizational path of Marxism. From that point, the curtain was raised on reform and opening up in China. China embarked on a new course in the construction of a socialism with Chinese characteristics.